Hello, today I'll guide you through fixing the bad image error, status 0xc00000012f in Windows 11. This error occurs when system or DLL files become corrupted or incompatible due to faulty updates, malware, or driver issues. Let's go through the steps to fix it. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control UAC, click Yes. Step 2. Run DISM and SFC Commands. Copy and paste the following command into Command Prompt, then press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. Once done, run the next command. Now wait for the scan to repair any corrupted system files. Step 3. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Open a web browser and search for VisualC Redistributable package. Click on the official Microsoft website link. Download and install the 2015 VisualC Redistributable package. Follow the on-screen instructions and agree to the terms. In my case, the 2015 VisualC Redistributable package is already installed on my computer. Step 4. Restart your computer. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. Following these steps should resolve the bad image error on Windows 11. If the issue persists, consider updating Windows or performing a system restore.